Everyone is asking the wrong question. It's not which jobs AI will replace. It's which jobs are already losing value, quietly. Because AI doesn't arrive suddenly. It erodes relevance over time. Most people imagine AI as a switch. One day your job exists, the next day it doesn't. That's not how it happens. AI removes tasks. And when enough tasks disappear, the job collapses from the inside. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth. AI replaces work that is predictable, repeatable, and scalable. Any role where value comes mainly from speed, pattern recognition, or volume is already under pressure. Data entry, basic research, scripted customer support, junior-level copywriting, routine legal and accounting tasks. These jobs existed because humans were once the cheapest form of thinking. That is no longer true. But notice something critical. AI does not replace professions. It replaces levels inside professions. A senior lawyer is not at risk. A junior lawyer who only summarizes documents is. A senior marketer is not at risk. A marketer who only produces content is. The lower the responsibility, the higher the automation pressure. Now let's talk about what survives. Jobs rooted in judgment, accountability, and human trust. Roles where decisions carry consequences, where context matters more than speed. Doctors don't disappear. They gain diagnostic leverage. Engineers don't disappear. They multiply their output. Leaders don't disappear. They become decision filters. AI can suggest. It cannot own outcomes. Here is the real dividing line in the AI era. AI replaces execution. It does not replace judgment. If your role is do exactly what you're told, AI is coming for it. If your role is decide what should be done and why, AI becomes your tool. This is why most people are confused. They ask, will AI take my job? Instead of asking, which part of my job creates real value? AI exposes weak value faster than humans ever could. Not because it's intelligent, but because it's cheap, fast, and tireless. The future doesn't belong to people who work harder. It belongs to people who define problems, evaluate outcomes, and direct systems. AI doesn't eliminate humans. It eliminates unnecessary thinking. AI will not replace you. Someone who understands how to use it with judgment, responsibility, and context will. The future of work isn't about competing with AI. It's about staying valuable in a world where thinking is no longer rare.